Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move your cosmetic and grow a garden. Okay guys, and here I have placed one of my cosmetics on my garden, this one, and I'm going to show you how we can move this cosmetic. First of all, you can click on this icon, the cosmetic inventory. Okay, make sure you have this menu opened, and after that you're going to tap and hold on the cosmetic, and you will see all these options. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, we can hold and drag the cosmetic to move it, and I'm going to move it here on this side. Okay, now it's done, and as you can see guys, that my cosmetic has been already moved to this site. Okay guys, and that's all the way to move cosmetic and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.